Hi guys, how to keep the footer always at the bottom of the page in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. Now if we scroll down, as you can see our footer is at the bottom of the page, but it's not always visible. So how to keep the footer always at the bottom? As you can see inside our body we have a div just as sample content, and at the bottom we have our footer. Now if we scroll up at the style section, body and HTML, margin 0, padding 0 is totally up to you. The content same, you can do whatever you want with this. Lastly, inside the footer we need to add just 2 lines. Position, clone, fixed. Then as we want our footer to be at the bottom, so bottom, clone, 0 pixel, save, reload. See? Now the footer will always stay at the bottom. If we remove the overflow auto from the HTML, we can able to see the scroll. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.